Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use an Instagram-like bot to get instant engagement in 2026. Let's dive in. Step 1. Head over to nazop.com using the link in the description below. Don't waste time with long forms. Just hit login and use your Google account to jump straight to the dashboard. Once you're in, click Deposit. You can top up with your card or crypto. It's instant, so you're ready to go in just seconds. Now, click on the new order and hit that search bar. Type in Instagram likes and look for the second option, the one at $1.80 per 1,000 likes. It's the perfect balance of speed and price. Grab your post link, paste it right here, and in this video, we're just doing 100 likes to show you how it works. Hit order now, and we're in. All right, here's how it went and the likes got in. Check this out. I'm refreshing the post and you can see the hearts starting to stack up immediately. We hit our target likes instantly. That's the power of a reliable Instagram-like bot when you need that quick social proof. Now let's be real for a second. There is always a risk when you're boosting engagement. Instagram is smart, so don't go overboard so you stay safe. Ready to grow your own profile? Go to Nazop using the link in the description below and get started. If this helped you out, drop a like on this video and subscribe for more 2026 growth hacks. Peace.